Okay, so today we're going to take a look at a really awesome free iPad app called ShowMe. ShowMe is an amazing app that allows you to not only create content, but consume content as well. It helps you learn and teach. So very simply, if I've signed into ShowMe, now this is the newest version of ShowMe which just came out, which is version 2.0, I can go over here to create a new ShowMe just by hitting on the plus sign. Now I'm met with a very simple interactive whiteboard function. I can choose my ink color over here. Let's say I'm teaching basic math. I'm going to have my ink color picked. Over here you'll notice there are a couple of keys. So for example, I have the reset button over here, or the erase button. I have the clear screen button over here. I have the add content button, so I can actually do a couple of things here. I can choose a photo from my library, I can take a photo, or I can actually search images on the web. So if I was teaching a lesson in English, I can come over here and type in, let's say, Freytag's pyramid, and get a whole bunch of images that would pop up right away. I could use that one, click on it. Notice I have some functions over here, bring to front, move to back. I'm going to move it to the front. I could rotate it, of course. I'm going to click off of it, which is going to set it in place. My toolbar came back. You'll notice that if I hit these little three bars over here, I could swipe it away. Hitting that little red tag allows me to bring it right back. And the toolbar is really simple, but it gives you exactly the type of tools that you need. So I'm going to do a couple of things right now. This is actually the button over here is go back. So that button allows you to reverse steps. If I wrote something and made a mistake, I can hit the back button and it would bring it back. Very simply, let's go back, and I'm going to grab my Freytag's pyramid, grab my blue ink, and I'm going to hit the record button, which is going to start our recording, obviously. Okay, so today we're going to talk about exposition. That's the function right over here. It's the part in the story that sets it up. So if I was going through with my students and trying to tell them about, let's say we're doing the story of the Wizard of Oz, I can very simply go over here and put that and talk about what the exposition is, and maybe that's the, as they say in the book, it's the twister. I'm writing this with my finger, but if I use a stylus, it's a little bit more exact. The iPad is really a perfect place to do a lot of this type of work, and it really, you notice already that the implications for ShowMe is huge. I can pause the recording at any point and then hit pause button again to resume my recording. You'll notice that the time is being kept on the bottom, so I know exactly how mindful of how long my video is. You certainly don't want to have kids watching maybe 20, 30 minutes of a video. It's good to keep them probably, I would imagine, between 5 and 7 minutes. So very, very easily, that's the core feature set. I'm going to go to done. And this is where it gets great. I'm going to show me. So I'm going to test. I'm going to write wizard test, so I can name it whatever I want. Okay, so today we're going to... It automatically starts playing back. And over here I can actually hit the cloud button and post it to my ShowMe. I could post it privately, I could post it for friends, or I could post it for the world. Now I'm actually going to not post it right now because I don't need everyone to be seeing this wonderful video. But you'll notice it is shown over here on my iPad, and I could watch it whenever I want. There are posted videos, so things that I've posted before and kept private, I could see there. Videos that I've liked. If I heart a video, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment, you'll find it there. People you connect with over here as friends, and then topics that you're following over here. So I'm going to go over here to the left-hand bar and hit search. I could type in things like, let's say, AP Calculus, and go to search. And all the videos that have to do with AP Calculus have shown up over here. So lots of great content. I mean, people are really posting a lot of things. I think currently there's over 1.5 million videos, which is a huge, huge repository of really positive and wonderful content. I could also look at people's postings over here on the right-hand side. And over here under activity, it'll show your activity feed as to what you've uploaded and liked. The featured ones are great ShowMes that people are actually going to curating. This is a wonderful one about perspective that I watched earlier today. I'm going to put down the volume over here, kind of let you see how it's drawn out. Really interesting how to teach how to do perspective. And I happen to like this one quite a bit, so I'm going to hit the heart button over there, and it'll be, of course, added to my, my content. I can go over here and share it out via email, Twitter, or Facebook. And when I come over here again, as I showed you, the things that I favorited, my likes, there it is. Really simple app with great implications for learning and teaching in the classroom. Doing Create Again lets you go back to your stage where you can create and share and make that library of 1.5 million grow. So there it is. Check it out. It's free in the App Store. It's available now. It's called ShowMe, and it's a phenomenal tool for your classroom. Till next time.